Hello students, welcome to Easy Elimu Learning Simplified. I am your teacher, Mr. Stanley Ombogo. So dear students, I believe that you're doing great and thank you for joining us. So in our previous video, we looked at something under social writing, and that was how to write emails. So in this video that we are about to do, we want to look at something almost similar with emails, but there are some slight difference that we can identify. So allow me introduce you to what we call a fax, dear student. So in this session, we want to look at how to write a fax. So a fax is a short for facsimile, and uh, it is also known as a telefax, or sometimes we may call it telecopying. So when you talk about this, it is the telephonic transmission of scanned printed material, usually to a telephone number which is connected to a printer. So like emails, dear students, faxes are also a form of communication, but they are getting replaced by the recent forms like emails and SMS. So faxes were mostly used in the 1990s, that is right from 1990 to early 2000, if I'm not wrong. So the difference between fax and an email are minimal, just like I said. So the only advantage of a fax to an email is that it can be transmitted even without computers. So they are therefore useful in office situations. Then to be able to send and receive a fax, one needs a fax machine and a telephone line. Though the addresses are written, what is important is the fax numbers or the phone numbers of the correspondents. So I want to show you how it works. That is how it works to transmit the material, or how we can use, fax to send messages. So the process to follow include the first step is the scanning of the original material using a fax machine or a telecopier. So I've also, shown some image. As you can see, there is an image there of a telecopier. So that is how a telecopier looks like. So after scanning of the original material using a fax machine, proceed to that is use the telecopier to process the content and convert it into a bitmap. Then after that, the content is then transmitted through the telephone system to the receiver. Then the next thing is that the receiving telecopier interprets the message and reconstructs it. So that is just a summary of how it works, but I'll take you through step by step, so no need to worry. Dear students, a fax should have the following. So the first part, there is the to field. So under this field, we write the receiver's organization. Then we have the fax number. So again, here we write the receiver's fax number. The next we have number of pages. So again, here we indicate the number of pages that our fax is having. Then the next thing, we have attention of. So in this area, we write the receiver's name, or whoever is going to that is receive the fax. So we can call them the recipient. Then after the recipient's name, we move to the from field. So under the from field, here's where we write the sender's name. So after the sender's name, it is followed by the date. Then after the date, we write the sender's organization, followed by the sender's fax address. Then lastly, we have the subject or title. Now, on to the other part that is also important. That is on how to write notes and facts cover sheet. So, dear students, if you want to write notes and facts cover sheet, follow the guidelines below. So, the first thing, add a letterhead to the top of the facts cover sheet. So it can either be for a company or an individual. Then after that, uh, remember that the letterhead can include the name of the company or individual's name, address, telephone number, fax number, and even email address. So after coming up with your letterhead, write to field. So remember, to field is where you write the receiver's organization. So write to field followed by a colon and some lines down the name of the person who should receive the facts. So after that, write the company or organization and fill in the name of the company or organization where you are sending the facts. So after that, write the from field and the colon on the next line. After that, list the sender's name there. So after writing the sender's name under the from field, write the date, followed by the recipient's fax number. Then after the recipient's fax number, we have the number of pages. So ensure that you also indicate the number of pages. So enter this number, including the cover page, to help the recipient make sure no page is missing. So again, that is the importance of indicating the page numbers. So assuming that there is a fax that has been sent and the recipient has detected that page 1 is followed by page 3, then that will mean that probably page 2 was never included. So the importance of including or indicating the page numbers is to help the recipient make sure that no page is missing. So after the number of pages of the page number, write regards. Then after regards, put a colon, then enter the subject of what you are writing under notes. So after that, write notes, then colon, and here you can enter additional information that you may be having. So after this, write the message. So remember that an institution can design a facsimile transmittal sheet depending on their test. So in the next slide, we have a sample of a facsimile transmittal sheet that has been prepared by a school. So we have the to field. So the fax is sent to Lungu Consultants. The fax number is 2497736. Number of pages, it is only a page. Then attention of Mr. Alfonso from Ian Nene. Then the date is 17th January 2021. It is from Uzalendo School. Then the fax number is 234-68734. The subject is talk on performance of English paper 1. The message body: thank you for the fax in which you expressed your desire to come and talk with the candidates on how to improve their performance in English paper 1. I am glad to inform you that the principal has received your proposal. I write to confirm that you come at any time convenient to you. Please write to say when exactly you would like to come so that we can make necessary arrangements. Thank you, Ian Nene. So, dear students, it is as simple as it is. So, that is a sample of a fax, and it brings us to the end of our session. Thank you for watching till the end, and remember to always keep it easy, Alimu. Until next time, bye.